I always tell my people to stay away from crime. Watch this video.
Okay, mbaya na abupu ya. Emelia. Anya mama. Oneba kwa kugidi.
So, if I basically a boss, ability at the phone. Hey!
Ori now.
Man, second, he more get you a phone. So, what I could say, a man people kid.
I've been a 4-9. I've been a 4-9. Babu go wine. Mas que na faz sobre, na faz sobre, na faz de dólar. Na faz nem de pai de dólar.
Abu banca lá, mas que se é mais forte. Quer ver guardá-lo? No, okay, on me one chance na keke. On me one chance na keke. Quer que eu minha? On ne pick pocket mother. Mana on a de blue mother de teacher. Mana ifa na kona bụ na ono kwa odo zu egel o di kwapia la keke. Aburo do walo.
Aburo do walo de lo no abia ti be mbade ife abia ji dai ti be ife. O ezi pa biko do di phone di fa ka mo ni do me ba ife na ma.
Oye ko so pa
hasize agala kuziti me.
Mana onye orido.
Ba ga eji we mebezi ko.
Kera vai.
Afambo ba.
Ogon na gidi. Ogon na Peter ke gba fa
Peter.
Onye ebe ki. Ebe de boy say. Oh, sir. Go wa boy.
Abia State.
Ebe na Abia State.
Ohia.
Ohia. Kedi be botado na ma na bo Jezubori. Well, why must you come here and do it? Hey, shut up. You may be catago. Attack him, maybe. Go and check him there. Tell Kava. To be see Ezuka. Go aboard here. A benimo. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, they see Abia. Pierre name maybe see a limbo. Yes, can go name. One chance. Can go see me. What is your poor?
Only cash your choice with table. I go para, I'm choosing to para.
When I'm making it,
I make cash, I'm choosing to para. I believe
when I make what I boss over for you. Nah, okay, the bad question now. I'm tactics now. So when come out to back again, I'm mad modern now. I make what I have also. A man of phone here can target. Me wouldn't know. When you're not doing now, come back or Abu Poso. Check with Virgin about. I'm able never look here. That is what they do. Cave was all the name. Oh, we get a Kununu, Naloya, with 500,000 naira. Quapiana. Anyway, you're not innocent. You're not innocent. You're by your own admission and confession. No, no, Bundiori. I confirmed Bundiori. How many times have you been caught before? How many times have you been caught before?
not this one. Yesterday we are not the biggest.
How many times have you been caught before? How many times can you go Ginoria in it? See.
Yes, sir.
Since when can you be?
Since this year.
They are confirmed thieves. So look at their faces very well. Confirmed thieves. These people don't have any honest means of livelihood. What they do is to steal. Steal. They have admitted to stealing, but they refuse to admit that they were part of people who kidnapped the poor girl and took 500,000 naira from her and pushed her out of the keke after robbing her, which is actually the culprit we were looking for before we got them.
Yeah, my people, welcome back to Officer Justice Day. I always talk that look for something else to do. These people in this video, if your children they watch you, what they go think? What is your reputation tomorrow if you want to behold any political post? Don't damage your image because of waiting no make sense. Go and learn handwork. Learn something to do and stay out of this kind thing. Now waiting Officer Justice Day want tell una.